Hello my friends, today I want to show you a new improved design of my Doweller. Let me explain what actually new here. It has brass barrel with 5 ball bearings inside for this drill bit. 8mm only. This time body is rounded and just 2 fixing handles. We can tilt our section from 0 to 90 degree. We can choose any position, and this time these holes and bolts from both sides and springs. 22.5 degree, 45 degree, 67.5 degree and 90 degree. This time I improved this bottom side. We have two type of scales here, metric and inches. You can look here or here. Also we have the same stainless steel pins, 8mm and 32mm from the center. We can hide them if needed with this awl or screwdriver, easily unhide. This part works like chip breaker when you drill. This bottom made of aluminum and polycarbonate plastic here. 3 lines, 16mm between them. When you need to adjust our jig, we need to rotate this wheel and look and measures on this scale. Maximal size is 20mm from center to bottom. I don't think we need to get more, because if we have too thick, very thick board, better to make 2 rows of dowels from each side, here and here. Here is no play in this mechanism because inside fluoroplastic tubes, and no play here. Pretty tight. This wheel rotates a bit hard because of rubber circle inside to prevent any backlash, any play, and spontaneous unscrewing. When you work, you will be sure it will not change size without your wish. Let's try to drill something. As you can see, this way with one line we have 3 doubles because of additional 2 lines 16mm side. Really no need to look on scale when you just jig for angle. Just put it on workpiece and fix. This way here will be workpiece angle. And you can use these pins and make your work without layout.